Welcome back to another vlog. Today is such a special day for me. I just woke up super early. I don't know that I even really slept all night. I'm really excited because today my custom closet is going to be delivered and I'm going to finally have my own walk-in closet. Just a little bit of a background. Around mid-July, I went to the Container Store and I wasn't going for anything special, kind of just looking around. And I know that they usually create custom closets, but I never was interested, even though this has been a dream of mine forever. I either never had the space to create a custom closet, or when I did, I kind of have a small walk-in closet, but I never really found the time or kind of the setting to kind of go ahead and go for it. So when I walked into the Container Store, I saw the most beautiful walk-in closet setting. I just fell absolutely in love with it. Now, I wasn't thinking much of it. My mom at the time, she said, well, just go ahead and ask him for prices. Just see. I was like, no, I have a small walk-in closet. There's no way that something like this would even fit in there. She's like, well, if you don't ask, then you will never know. So I went ahead and asked the associate there, and they were kind of walking me through it. It felt like something that was going to be real for me. So I went ahead and told them, okay, go ahead and create a plan for me. She kind of asked me, you know, what are your needs? What are your likes, your dislikes? Kind of what do you want out of your walk-in closet? Like I said, this has been a dream of mine since forever. So I kind of went through what I wanted. And I didn't hold back. I was like, you know what, if this doesn't work out, it's fine. At least, you know, I'll get a drawing of what my custom closet or my dream closet would even look like. So she kind of drew a custom closet for me, and it wasn't what I wanted. So it was kind of, the drawers were too small, it was too high up, and I knew that I really wanted to have doors in my closet, but it really wasn't what I wanted. The price wasn't even justifying what it was, and I did tell them that, you know, I was like, this isn't really what I was thinking. So she went back and she said, not a problem, you know, I'll draw something up. What did you not like? What did you really like? What is something that, you know, we can take out or leave, you know, just to kind of justify the price for me. So I went ahead and went through everything again, and she drew up another drawing. And it kind of was starting to look like something that I wanted, but it still wasn't there. I mean, if you are going to pay this money to kind of create your custom closet, and the fact that it is custom, you want it to be exactly the way you want it. So I told her, you know what? If I'm going to do this, I'm going to go all out. This is what I want. I definitely wanted drawers to kind of go to the floor, and I will also insert some photos of the plans as well. So kind of the first plan and then the second, and kind of what in the end, what I really wanted and what it's going to look like. So I went ahead and told her I wanted the drawers to be pretty large, and she told me, any size you want, we can go ahead and make it happen. I wanted them to the floor. I did want a kind of an opening kind of closet. She said that that is going to cost more, so anything that's moving or has moving parts will always cost more. So she kind of tailored it to what I want, or what I wanted, but still kept it to a pretty good price range as well. I knew that I also wanted glass shelves as well to kind of put my bags and have just my perfumes on there. So I kind of told her everything, and they were so considerate. And then she sent me the last kind of plan of the closet, and I absolutely fell in love. Even the price was a little bit higher from what I wanted, but at the time they actually gave me 20% off. So I just love that plan so much. I was like, you know what? This has been my dream for a while now, and I'm just gonna go for it. So I went ahead and signed the agreement. Now, it did take a while for it to get here. It is now December, and it took quite several months to kind of create the closet, because it is all custom. So everything is custom, and it is coming from Texas, I believe, but it's here, it's coming today, and they are going to set it up for me. And I'm going to film it all. I just really wanted to share with you guys kind of the whole entire plan. Before they get here, I do want to show you what my closet looks like right now. So this is what my closet looks like right now. And I have to move everything. I have this chest here where I normally put all of my clothes. So I have to take out absolutely everything. I cannot wait to see the new closet. Everything is going to be so organized. I'm so excited. Normally I have my shoes down here, and that is about to change completely. So this is the before. Let's go ahead and remove everything. Now everything is out. It looks so bare. And surprisingly actually bigger. I cannot wait to see what it's going to look like when it's all done. So all these wires are going to be removed, and it's just going to look completely different. They just removed all the wiring from the closet, and they are unloading all the items. They just unloaded everything and kind of laid them here in the garage. So everything is made out of wood, and it's all custom and in pieces. So they are going to set up everything. So as you can see over there are the drawers, and they're actually very well made. So I'm really happy that everything came in good condition. I am just so excited. But most of the work is all done, and it's looking so good. This is where I'm most likely going to put my jackets, and then we have some hanging space there, and right over here is where the drawers are gonna go. It's looking really good. It's been a long day, but so worth it. I can't wait to show you guys what the closet looks like. They are almost done, but I think I'm going to end the vlog here, and I just want to set up everything. And in my next vlog, I am going to show you exactly what the closet looks like and give you a full tour. It is amazing. Honestly, you guys, this has been a dream of mine, and it is happening right now. I am so excited to show you what it looks like. It looks absolutely amazing. And just in my head, I'm thinking about all of the content that I'm going to be making for you, especially fashion content. I have been wanting to do this for a while, and I feel like now it's going to happen. So I'm going to end the vlog here, and I will see you in the next vlog, which will be the tour of the closet. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are notified when that video comes out. All right, guys, I will see you in the next vlog.